What causes blackheads? To know about the cause of blackheads, first of all you should know. What are blackheads? Blackheads are small bumps that appear on your skin due to clogged hair follicles. These bumps are called blackheads because the surface looks dark or black. Blackheads can usually be treated with over-the-counter acne products. Blackheads are a mild type of acne that usually form on the face. But they can also appear on the following body parts: back, chest, neck, arms, shoulders. What do blackheads look like? They appear as black dots on the skin. What causes blackheads? Blackheads form when a clog or plug develops in the opening of hair follicles in your skin. Each follicle contains one hair and a sebaceous gland that produces oil. This oil, called sebum, helps keep your skin soft. Dead skin cells and oils collect in the opening to the skin follicle, producing a bump called a comedo. If the skin over the bump stays closed, the bump is called a whitehead. When the skin over the bump opens, exposure to the air causes it to look black and a blackhead forms. Some factors can increase your chances of developing acne and blackheads, including producing too much body oil, the buildup of the Propionibacterium acnes bacteria on the skin, irritation of the hair follicles when dead skin cells don't shed on a regular basis, undergoing hormonal changes that cause an increase in oil production during the teen years, during menstruation, or while taking birth control pills, taking certain drugs, such as corticosteroids, lithium, or androgens. What are symptoms of blackheads? Because of their dark color, blackheads are easy to spot on the skin. They're slightly raised, although they aren't painful, because they aren't inflamed like pimples. Pimples form when bacteria invade the blockage in the hair follicle, causing redness and inflammation. How are blackheads treated? They are treated by over-the-counter, OTC, treatments, prescription medications, microdermabrasion, chemical peels, laser and light therapy. How can blackheads be prevented? You can prevent blackheads without spending a lot of money by trying a few of the following ideas. Wash regularly. Wash your face when you wake up and before you go to bed to remove oil buildup. Use oil-free products. Any product that contains oil can contribute to new blackheads. Choose oil-free or non-comedogenic makeup, lotions, and sunscreens. To avoid making your problem worse, try an exfoliating product. Exfoliating scrubs and masks remove dead skin cells from your face and can help reduce blackheads. Hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching.